Hey, it's Dan from QuikTap. Today we're going to take a close look at the QuikTap SS. All right, we have the QuikTap SSMM, and that stands for the Micromatic Coupler that is attached to this unit. We have a neoprene sleeve to insulate the tap rod. We also have a package insert, which includes your QuikTap Quick Start Guide, a way to get to know your QuikTap, as well as 5 replacement O-rings for your CO2 tank and a 3-inch standard tap handle. Due to DOT regulations, we are unable to ship the CO2 tanks full, so make sure that you get them filled up at a reputable bulk gas supplier or use our QuikTap fill station. All QuikTap units come with a stainless steel pathway from the coupler probe through the tap rod out the stainless steel flow control faucet. This version comes with a 0 to 30 psi adjustable regulator and pressure release valve. Now that we got to know our QuikTap a little better, it's time to start pouring. Make sure the regulator knob is turned all the way off. Insert a full QuikTap CO2 cylinder into the bottom of the regulator until it seats tightly. With coupler disengaged, turn your regulator on to about 5 to 7 psi. Make sure your tap handle is pushed all the way in the off position, as well as your flow control lever all the way down. So now we're going to insert the coupler into the keg and engage the coupler. Now that the keg is tapped, I'm going to double check, make sure we're between our 5 and 8 psi, which we are. Flow control is down. Start slow. Looking good. Open it up. I want to give a shout out to our friends over at Two Guys Brewing in Wyoming, Michigan for this awesome blonde ale. This is QuikTap. Cheers.